So my wife is reading the story of Chip and Joanna Gaines.
Okay.
Right. And so just kind of like how they met, I think it's the first book that they came out with. And Chip had talked about, I guess my wife was telling me that he dropped a line where he said he works every day like it's Saturday. And I guess when they first met, for his wife, it didn't make sense because she was like, Saturday, like, we'd be chilling, whereas Saturdays for him was like they got up super early. They were out working on the lawn, getting stuff done. And then, towards the evening time, it was like a treat in a way. They'd go get ice cream or they'll go, go get McDonald's, whatever, it was almost like a reward. And so
I love that.
For him, Saturdays it was grind days. So he was just like, I'm gonna work every day like it's Saturday. And that his parents were very like, whenever he would ask for something, it was just like, okay, here are things that you can do to earn those things. And so it was just like, it was never a no. And that was one thing that he referenced, that his parents never told him no. They told him what he could do to earn them. And I've always thought that was a dope concept.
I like how I feel like you get trapped in creating a life that you don't want.
Yeah.
And like phrasing it in your head of this is what I have to do every day, to where if you phrase everything like every day is a blessing and I wake up and it's Saturday and I get to do what I want, and then you structure it that way, especially with what we do.
Yeah.
To where if I can set it up the right way, every day is a Saturday.
100%.